In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in HubSpot. This process is streamlined to help you handle transactions efficiently. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Commerce section of your HubSpot account. Once you're there, select Payment Links. It's in this area where you'll manage everything related to the creation and maintenance of your payment links. Now, let's dive into creating a new payment link. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Payment Link. You'll want to click on that to begin the process. At this point, you'll have two options. Start with a blank template, or choose from a selection of pre-made templates. If you're just getting started, a blank template offers flexibility, but a pre-made one can save time if it suits your needs. Once you've decided on your template, it's time to add line items. These can include products from your product library or custom items that you create right here. If you have products already stored in your library, select from these to save time. For custom line items, you'll be entering specific names, detailed descriptions, and precise prices that you can set. Here's your opportunity to customize further by setting prices, specifying quantities, adjusting billing frequencies, whether they are one-time or recurring, and any applicable discounts to incentivize purchases. After adding your line items, it's important to name your payment link. This is mostly for internal use, so make sure it's descriptive enough for you to recognize at a glance what it pertains to. Then we move to configuring settings. Consider whether you want to allow your customers any flexibility, like setting their own prices or editing quantities. Should you decide to offer this, simply enable those options. If you have recurring payments and need to delay the start date of billing, you can do so in this settings area. Adding discounts can be a great way to promote sales, so specify any one-time discounts by choosing a discount type, either a fixed amount in USD or a percentage, and entering the exact amount of the discount. After going through these steps, make sure to click the Save button to finalize your new payment link. Upon saving, you'll have several options for sharing this payment link. You can send it directly to customers via email, post it on social media platforms, or even embed it on your website. Don't forget to track the performance of your payment links back in the Commerce section of HubSpot, giving you valuable insights on how well they're working. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and manage payment links in HubSpot, streamlining your commerce operations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.